And just like that, we're back, baby. What a roller coaster. And just like that, I'm gonna make a YouTube video on this. If you've been following me on streaming on YouTube, I've been talking about this all week. Crypto's a roller coaster. As fast as it goes down, it can go right back up just in a day. We had some big news today, actually, that came out. I just posted it on my story not that long ago and in the Discord. We had some pretty big news come out today where Donald Trump, I think he tweeted, and he said, and obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum as other valuable cryptocurrencies will be the heart of the reserve, the strategic reserve, right? I also love Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we're literally seeing Bitcoin have a great day because of that. That's positive news. There's a lot of situations going on in the world, like trade wars, the tariffs. We just saw Bybit got hacked. That created a lot of fear. And then you have the Ukraine and Russia situation that's ongoing. We're gonna make a longer video of all this. I'm gonna post it on YouTube maybe today or tomorrow, literally of like everything I'm talking about. You guys are gonna wanna watch it because every video I've posted on YouTube about crypto has been at a good time to watch it. Look at Solana, baby, 20%. We got some good coins. If you're in the inner circle, I'm gonna show you guys every coin that I'm buying, all the coins that I'm holding. I'm holding 25 coins right now. So this bull run should be a good one. There's a good amount here. I gotta update this. Bitcoin at the top on this one, obviously. You gotta keep Bitcoin at the top. Otherwise you're dumb.
You know when in a war they say if you have the high ground you have the advantage? It's the same thing as this. If I'm sitting or my legs wider, that means I can move fast, boom, 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 whatever, switch my feet, move fast, right? If I'm standing too wide, you can kick your knee better because you're standing too wide.
Now I can see as my stamina gets up.
Low kick, head kick, low kick, head kick.
Buddy, this is some fire shawarma, bro. There's lots of shawarma in Toronto. Like, there's fucking lots of shawarma in Toronto. But this place is like 40 minutes away. It's hit or miss with the shawarma out here, man. You can find 1,000 shawarma spots, but.
What is Indian?
Shawarma, Mediterranean. There you go, bro.
Mediterranean?
Mediterranean.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy. This shit's pretty fire. Yesterday, down 1.5 million. Today, only down 250,000. Why am I singing? Because Donald Trump, this morning, we just finished training. And when we got out of training, we came back and we noticed this is why the market is fucking pumping today. All right, Truth Social. If you don't know what Truth Social is, guys, that's like basically Donald Trump's Twitter, his social media. 5 hours ago, this is why the market's pumping. All right, 5 hours ago, Donald Trump announced a U.S. crypto reserve, crypto, so not just one thing there, will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration. Oh, sleepy. They've been which is why my executive order on digital assets directed the presidential working group to move forward on a crypto strategic reserve. That includes XRP, Solana, and ADA. That's why ADA went up 69% today. We get it now. I will make sure the US is the crypto capital of the world. We are making America great again. He said that 5 hours ago, and then 2 hours later, he says, and obviously, because if it isn't obvious yet, it's pretty obvious. That's why he said, and obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum as other valued cryptocurrencies will be the heart of the reserve, maybe the foundation, the forefront of the reserve. He says obviously because honestly, if you haven't really been paying attention, look at what's been going on, right? When it comes to states nationwide. So we have states and then we have the US, right? states have been adopting crypto and trying to pass these bills for a strategic reserve, pretty much like what El Salvador did. El Salvador was the first country that strategically started purchasing Bitcoin for the country to hold it. Now, US, if it isn't obvious, they didn't want to do it right away, but we're getting a lot of hints. So the market crashed, people are panicking, but we know this is something that's coming later on, whether it happens now, this month, or later this year. So that's a good day today. We got some training done and then we come back to this and look at this. We were down yesterday, but we got to get Bitcoin back to 100K. Today, we're literally up 545,000 on this account, not even on Coinbase, Ledger. So it's a good day. I showed you guys yesterday, if you followed me on Instagram, I posted literally a story of when the month was down 1.4 million. I shared that yesterday. You guys might have saw my story. That was rough. Nice recovery today. Let's see if this holds. Tune in on my YouTube streams, guys, because I'm going to be going over some crypto talks and some market insights for now and for the future. This is fire. Right here, not to mention the White House this week on Friday, this coming week. Friday, President Trump is to host the first ever White House Crypto Summit on March 7th. The event will bring together top crypto founders, CEOs, investors, along with members of the president's working group on digital assets. This was released a couple days ago, Washington, D.C. So this is really happening this week. And they've mentioned there's going to be top crypto founders there. And what he mentioned today about crypto reserve, not just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but crypto, talking also about XRP and Solana. That's interesting. I wonder who is going to be there. So I say to you, it begins. Look at this, Lord of the Rings. So it begins. Something's coming. Are you paying attention? About to go live. Inner Circle Sundays. This is our first, well, one of our first calls. Some of you guys have already been in the group. Welcome if you're new. We've already been doing this for like a week or two now-ish. Schedule for March, it'll be the same times. Like it'll just be just like Saturday and Sunday are the same times. We're gonna have the same times for Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, throughout the week. Weekdays. We did a good training the other day on this. We went over this the other day. That was a good training. So topics like that we're gonna be going over. It's not like there's gonna be like always like 100 different strategies. Like it's gonna be like a lot of the same thing talked about 100 times. So you might think like you're here to learn 100 strategies. You're here to learn the same strategy 100 times, or the same few strategies and techniques. That's what traders get wrong in the market. And they go in academies, they go in these things, and they get so much information that they get an overload of information. And what you really got to focus is on, like you might want to learn 100 strategies or 10 strategies, but really if you learn like, if you flip it, like instead of learning 100 strategies, let me learn one strategy, but put 100% into it. And we're doing a lot on the weekends. I'm doing that because I know you guys work a lot through the weekdays. Majority of you, I know 80% of you work through the weekdays. So I'm going to be giving a lot of the information on the weekends as well. And Sundays when the market's like before the market opens, when the market opens. Every call will be recorded. All right, just finished streaming what we call Inner Circle Sundays. That's a Sunday call I do every single Sunday for my Inner Circle group. We just finished the live call here on YouTube, and I'm actually getting the rest of the calendar ready for the rest of the month here before we clock out for the night. So if you guys want to be a part of my Inner Circle community that has access basically to me and everything I do, my courses, my signals, my trade ideas, the cryptos I'm holding, and all my valuable insights and information, DM me or drop a comment on this video and I'll get back to you. Now, I'm gonna kick this guy's ass in Call of Duty because he's over here betting me 3 Solana that he can quick scope me, and he wants that smoke. You know what this guy said?
Give me my free Solana.
Give me my free Solana
Give me
today.
my free Solana.
So let's see how this shit goes, bitch. Alright?
That's probably you. Oh man. What's the best play? What's the best play? Oh fuck, it's yours. No, oh damn.